Hello everyone, short video. This is the first of some short video that I'm going to do to introduce news and new videos and so on, just to keep you warm perhaps and to keep me in contact with you. And with this first short video we have a box. Perhaps you see this box. Where is the box? I don't see it. No. This is the box. What's inside this box? I have to stand up and to open it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I have this too. I'm not the only YouTuber that is not the proud owner of this masterpiece. Well, the video is ending here. Why? Because this is a collectible thing. I know very well how it is made and I don't have in mind to open. It's wonderful, it's marvelous. I hope you enjoy. I don't know why, but I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Up to the next with a long video. Bye bye.